Hello guys, welcwelcome to our channel Wizard of Graphics. Today we will learn how to remove dark circle like this. Let's go. First of all, create a duplicate layer and create a new layer between them. After that, select a duplicate layer and go to filter and convert to a smart object. After converted, hit OK and go to again filter, other and high pass. Decrease the value and increase slowly when dark circle texture shows. Hit OK. Now change the blend mode normal to overlay. Now create clipping mask. Hold Alt, click between them. Now select layer 1, choose eyedropper tool and sample size should be 5 by 5 average and sample current and below. After that, now select brush tool and take a sample. Brush opacity should be 100 and flow around 5 to 10. It's good. Now paint over the dark areas slowly and gradually, please. Take your time to get best result. Now I'm going to forward this video. Alright, it's done. Now see the result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.